Hello guys and welcome back. So in previous lectures we kind of imported our background and our ground. So we settled everything in, so we have a pretty nice interface, we have a pretty nice look of our overall game. So what I'd like to do next is I'd like to name all of our assets in our hierarchy section, so they should be named correctly. So if I have a background and I have a 1 inside brackets, I'd like to make a background 2 for aesthetic reasons and for further development, modification of all of these files and easier access. So I'm gonna write background 3 and I'm gonna write background 4. And when it comes to our ground, I would also like to rename them like ground 1, ground 2, so I have actually in mind what they are and what they represent. And what I'd like to do next is I would like to give a rigid body and collider to all of my bars. So let's add them rigid body and set gravity scale to 0 when it comes to all of them, and add, for example, polygon collider would be fine. Okay, so let me see. Okay, collider is fine. Okay, I'm gonna add rigid body 2D here also and set gravity scale to 0, and also add a polygon collider. Polygon collider is probably the most precise collider that implements itself when it comes to colliders. And also rigid body 2D collider, and let's set and repeat this all 4 times for all 4 of our grounds. Set polygon collider. Okay, so let me just check if all of my rigid body have a gravity scale equal to 0, so they won't fall down. Gravity scale 0, gravity scale 0. Okay, and let me just add tag to all of my grounds. So I'm just add tag. So I'm click add tag, new tag. That's gonna be a bars. So I'm just gonna save it and click on all of our ground assets and give them a bar tag. So what I would like to do next, I would click on my prefab folder and copy all of my ground prefabs here, because I have their tags, their rigid body inserted and everything, all of the components. So right now they're ready to become a prefab. So let's just drag one by one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. We could have had copied only one, it wouldn't make any difference, but let's just copy all 4 of them because they're actually named, etc. So right now the next thing that we have to do is we're gonna import our player and we're gonna give our bird a movement. So that's the thing that we're gonna do in next tutorial, in next video. So thank you guys for watching, and everything that I've done now, like renamed all of my variables, renamed all of my names of the assets, and created a prefab, is because of the aesthetic reasons and for the further development, so we can manage things easily and modify all of our data types easily because we have actually them named properly. So thank you guys for watching and see you next video.